Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python Programming. In this session, we are going to learn about some built-in methods associated with list sequence. The first one, append. Append is the method which adds any element, given element x at the end of the existing list. For example, let L1 is equal to 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. And if we want to add another number 66 at the end of it, we have to use the method append. Now L1 dot append of 66 will add the value of 66 at the end of L1. If we display L1, we will be getting the result as 11 to 66. Clear. Clear is the method which will remove all the elements from the given list. Let us take the same L1 as the list with 5 elements in it, and if we do the clear operation with L1 and if we display L1, we will be getting the empty list as output. Next method is count. So this will count and return the number of times the given element x present in the given list L. For example, let L2 is equal to A, B, A, C, D, A, C. If we want to count how many number of times the element A presents, we can use L2 dot count of A. If we display it, it is going to produce the answer 3, number of times A presents in the given list. Copy. This method copies the elements from one list into another list. For example, let's consider L2 with A, B, A, C, D, A, C. And if we want to copy all these elements into another list L3, then we can use L3 is equal to L2 dot copy of. Now all the elements will be copied into L3, and if we display L3, we will be having the same elements as L2. Next method is extend. Append will add only one number of element at the end of the existing list, where extend will append more than one number of elements into a list, but this can be done with the help of another list. Let's see an example here. Let L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and L2 is equal to A, B, C, D. If we want to add all the elements from L2 in L1, then we can use extend method like this, L1 dot extend of L2. Now the elements from L2 will be appended in L1. If we display the result, we will be getting 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. Next method is index. This method will return the position of the first occurrence of the given element in the given list. Let L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we want to find the position of any element like 5, we have to specify L1 dot index of 5. Now this will return the position at which the element 5 presents in the given list L1. We are getting the output as 4. Insert. And this method inserts the given element into the given list at the given index. Append will add one element at the end of the list, and insert will add any element in any position of. Let us assume that we want to add a new element 100 at the position 5. In the given list L1, at the position 5, the element present is 6. Now 6 will be shifted one step and then 100 will be inserted in that position. So if you print the result of list L1, we will be having a new element 100 at the position 5. Next method is pop. Pop removes the last element from the given list. Now the list L1 is having these elements. If we use pop method with L1, the last element from L1 will be removed and it will be displayed on the screen. Now, if we print L1, L1 is going to have the elements except 10. Remove. Remove is the method which will help us to remove the first occurrence of any element from the given list, but we have to specify which element should be removed. Example, let L1 is having the same elements, and if we want to remove 100 from the given list L1, then we have to use the method remove by means of passing 100. L1 dot remove of 100. 100 will be removed, and if we print L1, we'll be getting the result as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next method is reverse. This method reverses the elements of the given list. L1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we use reverse method like L1 dot reverse of, then all the elements will be reversed. If we print L1, we'll be getting the elements in reverse order. Sort. Sort is the method which will arrange the elements in sorted order. For example, if L2 is having some elements like 2, 6, 4, 8, 1, 0 and 3, and if we use sort method with L2, then the elements will be arranged in ascending order. We print L2, it is going to give us the result 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Stay tuned. Happy learning.